One and this kind of, okay, 2, 3, and then the glass. He wearing the glass. Okay, and then his ear, okay, and then his face like this. Okay, the ear, another one. Okay, and his mouth is laughing. Okay, and another one his hair. Okay, hair. I do like this. This is anime character of the kid Gojo Satoru. Okay. Yes. And the clothes like this. Okay. Alright. Okay. And he's wearing the glass. I put the more black in here. The glass. Glass. Okay, and his head. Sorry, his hair. I put the yellow like this, yellow color. Okay, how you think about all my enemies, the character? Okay, and I will make some of the how say. Gold. I will put the some of the gold colors, okay, to make more bright. Okay, see, with the price, and I will put some more the little bit yellow, more yellow, to more attractive. Okay, and his clothes, I will put the red clothes. Oh, this is an orange, not red. I don't know what the color is. All I wearing.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Okay, and the skin. The skin I will put
This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
the skin.
This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack